How to get your TikTok account unbanned. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we will be showing you how to get your TikTok account unbanned. So if your TikTok account has been suspended or banned, don't worry, in this video we are going to take steps that can help you get your account reinstated. So let's just get into it. So first thing first, it's important to understand why your account was banned. TikTok has strict community guidelines, and if you violate those rules, your account could get suspended, or other reasons like posting inappropriate content, spammy behavior, or violating TikTok's policy. So if you get any kind of a notification of your account getting banned, first of all, head over and open up your TikTok and go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and go ahead and tap on settings and privacy. And you're going to scroll down to the report a problem section. And after there, you're going to go ahead and choose account and profile. Just wait for it to be loaded on the screen. And here you can go ahead and tap on account and profile here, which is on the very first option. And from there, you can go ahead and tap on account recovery. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then select up your account. After that, you're gonna go ahead and you can go ahead and chat with them as well if you want. You're gonna explain why you believe the ban was a mistake and be polite in your appeal. So TikTok will review your case and get back to you. So if TikTok doesn't go through or you don't hear back from TikTok after a while, you can contact TikTok support. You can go ahead and go to the TikTok support by going to Google or any other browser. And after that, you need to explain your case, like why your account has gone banned. And after that, if your account is unbanned, to prevent any future issues, make sure you're always following TikTok community guidelines and terms of service and avoid anything that could be considered spammy or inappropriate. And that is it. So that is for today's video. So I hope this guide helped you understand how to appeal your TikTok account banned. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have got any questions. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.